Top-Link has served for a global market. Our headquarters based in Shenzhen, and we set up manufacture plant in Dongguan and Changsha. By virtue of leading production and online testing technologies, we assist our clients in realizing the target of smart and intelligent products. Our CNCs and CAMs are more than 100 cells. More than 6 cells high-precision rotary combined lathe can reach the machining accuracy of 5 UM. Every lathe can manufacture multiple products with a daily output rate to 150K to 190K pieces. Our total monthly output can reach 50 to 60 million pieces. Mold and injection center. We own independent capacity. Our mold center have grinding, milling machine, CNC, wire cutting, electric spark. We can provide mold flow simulation. Assembly center. We are equipped with various automatic assembly testing machines, semi-automatic riveting, fully automatic assembly production line. Manufacture all kinds of high-level equipments. Our main products such as Pogo pin connectors, precise components, cable connectors, and antenna has been supplied to many customers.